Hey, best friends, welcome back. Today, you guys, I'm reacting to Peter Gabriel Sledgehammer live in Athens, 1987. I'm your girl, Kay Siobhan, and I don't know who the I am, but Chappy. Hey, look, this right here was requested by my best friend. I love you. Thank you so much. I never heard of him, them, whatever the group is. But if it's real good, I'm going to stop in my because this is my and we're going to talk at the end. And if you want to, watch me live, catch me live, and I do videos just for you, make sure you join my Bunny and Clyde. Let's get it. Click! It better be good. Better be some fine ass white boys. Oh yeah, he fine. He fine. Oh. Oh, he said. Shut up. In my mind, why am I picturing that I need some Beyonce ring the alarm knee pads with the trench coat? I don't know why. Shut up. I don't know why. Y'all know how my mind go, but I need it for his fine white ass. I need it. I gotta have it. Y'all said he was. I don't know why that came to my mind, but boy, I'm gonna tear your white ass up. Let's go. He throwing it. Oh, he said. It's gonna be good.
One, two, three.
Okay. I got to have. I never heard this song. Shut up, you with the little bitty ponytail. I keep telling you. I never heard this song before, but I heard somebody sample it. Okay, gotta have me a double. Monica, what's up, Monica? Okay. I got to have it. I don't know whose song that. I think I'm right, but y'all sample my baby daddy stuff. Okay, let's go. I'm excited. Okay. Oh, Mr. Clean. He's sexy.
You could have a steam train.
Okay, Jim Carrey. Fine ass.
You just lay down your tracks. You could have an airplane.
Okay.
If you bring your blue sky back.
Okay, shut up. I don't know why I thought he was going to say, if you bring your black ass back. I was like, boy, you know I'm coming back. And I don't need no airplane. Send a bitch a bus ticket. It's only $8.99. And it'll take me 365 days to get to your fine white ass. That's it. Shut up, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Shut up. Let's go.
All you do is call me. Anything you need.
Okay, yes, you will. Oh,
You could have a big dipper. Going up and down all around the bends.
Okay, baby.
Could have a bumper car.
Look at that baby booty. Oh, that was good. So gentle. Okay.
I wanna be.
Oh, shit. Wait a minute. Hold the fuck up. Wait a minute. Is my nose bleeding? Because goddamn, he's just hitting a bitch out in the face. You don't have to shut it like that. I mean, we got all night. Like, I know I said I was going to use the Beyonce ring the alarm knee pads, but you ain't got to rough me up like you just hurt a bitch lungs. Like, is that the lungs? Well, whatever. That hurts. That's too much. Like, but then again, I can handle it. Y'all, hello, shut up. Y'all seen the way he throws it? Just all in my esophagus. Is that my esophagus or is that my lungs right there? I think it's the lungs, y'all. I think they lying. Hold on.
I wanna be
still 20. Okay.
Sledgehammer. This will be my testimony.
Oh, he's so aggressive, y'all. He ain't had none in a long time.
Show me around your fruit cage.
Oh, okay, look at baby.
'Cause I will be your honeybee.
Okay.
Open up your fruit cage.
Hold on. Then you tell me open up my food cage. Wait, look. I ain't no Sharon Stone. I'm Siobhan Stone. Oh, that's so dope. I'm Siobhan Stone. You know what? Let me get my talk show and I'm going to show y'all how it was, what the hell I'm talking about. Oh, that's so fine. I'm on my legs like Sharon Stone, but I'm Siobhan. Oh, that's so dope. That's so dope. Oh, no. Look at my baby daddy. He told me to open up my food cage.
'Cause I will be your honeybee. Open up your fruit cage.
Oh, no. It's open.
That fruit as sweet as can be.
Oh, he thought it to the left.
Wanna be your sledgehammer.
Okay. Woo.
Why don't you call my name? I wanna be
Ow. Don't you throw something about the audience.
hammer. Put your mind at
Ow, he put one hand.
wanna be a sledgehammer. This can be my testimony. The sledgehammer.
Woo, I'm getting a little lightheaded.
There'll be no doubt about it. Sledge.
Oh, my baby. He said, he's gonna throw. I knew he gonna throw it down in there. Is you more the Lord in my mouth? Like, he ain't had no coochie in a long time. Oh, look at it fly with it. Let me fly with my baby. Oh. Here we go.
Shed my skin. This is the new stuff.
Okay.
I go dance singing. Won't you show for me?
I'll show for you, baby.
Show.
God damn. You already just shoved it all in my face. I got a nosebleed. Now you stomping on the head. You look at that. My beanie falling back because he kicking the bitch all in the head. You so aggressive. Like, calm down. Like, you ain't gotta stomp on my head like goddamn green giant. Yum. That hurt. Like, oh my God, he's so aggressive. I got a headache. Whoa, he's doing too much. I'm gonna do the whole group. Calm down. Like, he's so excited. Just stopping on the bitch. Like, respect.
For you. Won't you show for me?
Okay.
I will show for you.
Okay.
All for you.
Oh. Get it, baby daddy. Oh, look at my baby. That's his favorite move while you touching me.
Won't you show for me? Show for me. I will show for you.
Okay.
Show for you. Won't you show for me?
Okay.
I will show for you. Yeah. For you. You've been coming through. Gonna feel the power. Gonna feel the power. Feel the power. Come on, help me through. Come on, help me through.
Okay, help my baby. Yeah. Okay. Baby daddy. You're welcome. With your aggressive ass. Little fine self. We're done. We're done. We're done. All right. Girl, shut up. I can throw my hair back too. Don't try, Brittany. All right, this part we get together and let's cross our legs. Hold on, so she can be what? Professional. And we talk about this video, so how you guys what? Confused. Now, you're not cooking your lip. When I say, or when you say professional confused, I'm gonna use do it back over, baby. There you go, my best friend just killed it. All right, y'all ready? You already know what time it is. When I tell you, off the chain. Oh my God, I love the whole thing. It was so fun. When I say fun, that's what I'm talking about. I need fun, y'all. He was lit. The way he sounded, the way he sing, it was off the chain. I got a little slight concussion and headache. And my esophagus slash lungs. Is it the lungs? I think it's the lungs. It's a little damaged because he's so aggressive. Too much. I'm trying. Hell yeah. I'm gonna do that whole badge and won't be out. Oh my God. I am AKA Siobhan Stone. I'm your girl and I'm out. Mwah.